Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to answer how to increase Chime security and prevent fraud. So luckily, Chime has answered this question for you. So you can check out their article. The title is How to Outsmart AI Fraud and Scam. So I'm going to read this for you. So there are three methods of scamming or AI fraud. The first one is fake identities or synthetic identity fraud. So what is that? Synthetic identity fraud is in which bad actors use a combination of real and fake information to create a new identity, so which is one of the fastest growing forms of financial fraud. A fabricated identity can be used to fraudulently access your financial accounts or other password protect accounts. And this type of identity, they often combine some real information like your social security number with a fake name and address. Bad actors can then use this bogus identity to open a bank or credit card accounts in your name or even attempt to access your existing account. If a scammer uses a social security number with a fictitious identity, it can potentially damage your credit score. A compromised social security number can make it difficult for you to obtain credit under your own identity. Now, next method they use is deep fake scam. AI generated videos and voice are also being used for fraudulent transactions. Deepfakes are videos, photos, text, or audio recordings that seem real but have been created or manipulated with AI. For example, a deepfake video of a well-known personality or financial expert endorsing a bogus investment scam can trick people into handing over money. And criminals may use a deepfake scam to impersonate a relative or friend calling you for urgent financial help. And the next method they use is AI-powered phishing scam. Another growing problem is the use of AI for phishing scam. A bad actor may, for instance, use a generative AI to write a realistic email or send text messages specially targeting you by name. AI can make conversation seem real and try to exploit your emotion. And it can also mimic legitimate communication to try to trick you into sharing sensitive information like password, bank account, and number. Now here's how to avoid AI scam and fraud. To avoid AI scam and fraud by learning these tactics scammers use to gain unauthorized access to your personal information and actors. And to take proactive steps, secure your accounts and stay informed to protect yourself from potential fraudsters. Here's what to do. You have to verify before you trust. So always double check the identity of anyone requesting money or sensitive data from you. Be careful. Even if a caller sounds like someone you know or an email appears to have come from a known sender, it could be AI generated. So when you need to doubt or when in doubt, get a callback number and make sure the call is legitimate before returning the call. And let unknown calls go to voicemail, and you can then verify their identity before calling them back. If you think a business or government agency has contacted you, then you should end the call and contact them back using their official phone number found on their legitimate website. Because bad actors are using cybercrime for deception. So be suspicious about any request for money or account details. And also remember that unsolicited offers that seem too good to be true are probably scam. Now, next step is use strong and unique password. Strong, hard-to-guess passwords are crucial for security. Create a password that combines upper or lower cases, letter, and then numbers or symbol. And you have to try to avoid reusing password across multiple accounts. Next, for even more peace of mind and security, use a password manager to securely generate and store strong passwords. There are numerous password managers that can help you to secure your account like 1Password and NordPass. Now, next step is to turn on multi-factor authentication or MFA. You are probably familiar with MFA or multi-factor authentication require 2 or more verification steps to log into an account. Although MFA is increasingly the default settings for many accounts, sometimes you have to opt in Chime. For example, support two-factor authentication. When you try to log into your Chime account and MFA is enabled, then Chime texts you a 6-digit code to enter in addition to your username and password. Adding a second layer of authentication protection reduces the likelihood that a bad actor can access your account. Consider enabling MVA for your critical accounts, including banking, email, and social media. Next, protect your personal information. Don't share personal information with anyone you don't trust. Always limit the personal details you share on social media. For example, if you openly post information like your birthday, address, or your mother's maiden name, scammer could use this for criminal activity. So be careful. Now, the other best practices include shred any documents containing a sensitive PIA when you want to throw them out, and use encryption tool to protect your digital file, and enable password protections to limit other people's access to your smartphone, laptop, or other services or device. Now, here's what to remember. Chime will never reach you and ask for your personal information unless you have already initiated a customer support request. And next, be wary of calls and email asking for money. Unsolicited calls, texts, or email asking for money are an immediate red flag. If you have any doubts, delete the suspicious text or email. And urgency in call or messages is a common fraud tactic. Hang up and call a verified number to confirm the legitimacy of the person or business who supposedly called you or contacted you. And never click on links or download the attachment from unknown sender. Always read emails carefully. Scammers can them appear to be from legitimate sender, and the precaution will prevent potential malicious software from infecting your device. And monitor your account regularly. So reviewing your account statement at least monthly is another best practice for protecting against fraud. Check your monthly statement for inaccuracy or unauthorized charges, and always enable your account notification when possible to alert you about suspicious activities or large transactions. And always review your credit report regularly for unauthorized new accounts or inquiries. Now, what companies are doing to fight AI fraud? It is very important to do business with financial institutions and companies that are taking steps to combat AI fraud. Many organizations, for example, actively combating AI scam. Companies like Chime are working to implement AI or artificial intelligence fraud detection in banking and to educate consumers about AI-driven scam. Now, learn to spot AI-driven scam. While AI scam can be tricky, red flags like typos, spelling errors, or poor grammar can be telltale sign of AI-generated text or videos. Videos with distorted details like odd hands, feet are often a clue that what you're seeing is AI. Now, calls and emails from unknown phone numbers or senders should be treated with suspicion. Multi-factor authentication and real-time transaction alert can help you to take control of your account and finance. If you believe you have been victim of an AI-powered scam or incident, find out how to report the fraud and scam. So if you click on this article, they will take you to the this article, and if you want to know how to report, go ahead and read that. I hope this video helped you out. So if you want to read by yourself, check out their article as well. And that's it for this video. If this video helped you out, then like this video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.